Hello, I'm Joy and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but I'm going to make it up to you with how to dye your hair at home, and I'm also going to review Loreal Colorista hair dye. I chose the cherry red for my hair because I usually dye my hair red, so I wanted to make a change and I chose this color. I think it's gonna be good for me and it's gonna give me the change that I want to have on my hair. So let's see what this hair box dye has inside, and obviously the manual, and it's the paint, some hair dye tool, the developer, and the hair color. So as usually the manual of dyeing the hair. Oh, there's also photographs inside the instructions, and there is also photos of what the hair color is going to be after dyeing your hair. I don't know if you can see it. I really like the color as I see it in the pictures. So let's get started. The manual, the instructions are very easy to follow. So let's get started. I'm going to speed up the process. So I put my ingredients inside the bowl and I'm going to stir it with the brush that was contained inside the box. Hello guys, I'm back again, and this is the end result of my hair. I hope you really liked the video and enjoyed it as well. And this is how it's turned out. I really like the color. It's like it was in the box, so tight. And this is my hair after I blow dried it. The back of it. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!